For the month of April, we have a kiosk set up in Times Square on one of the Broadway pedestrian plazas, where Soundwalk Collective has available their JUNGLE-IZED app. All you need to do is come to the kiosk, use the free Wi-Fi to download the app, borrow a pair of professional level Audio-Technica headphones, plug in, and wander through 20 blocks of Times Square to experience the sounds of the Amazon.
It was quite unique because you see Times Square in a totally different way. I'm from New York and I've never seen Times Square like this.
Our role here has been to conceive this idea of jungle-ized, this idea of conversation with nature, this idea that actually Times Square, when you're walking in it, has not even one tree. And so what about actually going to the Amazon forest by drawing a simple vertical line, going to the heart of the Amazon and bringing back nature to the heart of Times Square, and to create this conversation basically between a concrete jungle and the jungle itself.
We didn't want to visually to distract you in the experience of the listening in the sound environment, and our intent is to have people guided by sound and by listening, and have the sounds and the animals and the creatures that you hear invite you to walk in a certain direction or another direction.